Yo! So today is the 7th of October 2017. It's about 9:20 a.m. I'm about to set out to the Great Falls of Virginia. Plan is to go there, do the hike, take some good pictures. See you guys later. This is awesome. I'm at Great Falls. I've been walking around for like 2 hours. I don't even think I've gotten to like 20% of everything that's here. But I just finished the overlooks. I like how open everything is. There is so much to see, and then the fall colors are starting to come out. Yeah. Yeah, this was fun. I'm happy I came. I'd say this is, I'll rate this maybe a 7 out of 10. Only because I should have eaten a good meal before I started this essentially workout. But yeah, hopefully I got some really good B-rolls. Trying out doing more video now. Got some really nice landscape shots. My stabilizer is playing games with me now. I'm playing hide and seek. Right, let me change the mode. There we go. See? Technology. Anyhow, this was fun. I enjoyed this. Fall is coming, so you can see some of the leaves changing. It's really giving it a really nice color. Yeah, this was fun. Thank you. Peace out.